What's up, guys? It's always sunny in California. I'm getting ready because I have something to show you. I'm pretty excited about, actually. So I checked my tires a few days ago and they were bald. I didn't realize this, but you know, camber life, camber for those car guys that I have in my channel, you know that camber life is the worst thing for your tires. So anyways, guys, I called a few places. I'm running 195 45 16, and yeah, I called a few places, but nobody actually had them. So it's kind of tough for me to find a place that, you know, he was either ordering the tires and stuff. But anyways, nobody had them, so I was done. I'm always busy. I'm working a lot lately at my job. I'm doing like 13 hours a day, so I don't really have time to deal with these things. But anyways, I have to say that I went online and I just thought about it. I was like, why not? You know, I'll give it a try. I went on Amazon and I found some tires. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I went a little cheap. You know, this is my daily, but to be honest, it's not a car show car anymore, so it's not like it ever was. But all I'm trying to say is, like, I don't want to buy too much of expensive tires, because I'm just gonna go and come back from work. I live like 2-3 miles away from work, so I don't really need no, you know, performance tires. And if anything, I will buy better tires for the T1, which is the family car. But all I can say is I want to show you something. It's pretty special because I can even smell it from here. This is it. Fresh rubber. These are a knockoff cheap brand. They're called Haida, but they have a nice wall. I have to say, it's pretty clean. It's really clean. The thread is really nice. The only thing that I noticed that the threads, the gaps are pretty wide, but it's fine. As I said, it's just to go and come back from work, you know, and I had to make a decision. I'm not gonna lie, guys, I bought them in Amazon for about, I think it was 45 or 50 bucks each. I'll round it up 50. 50 bucks. Yeah, the car's too low also, guys. I'm gonna raise it, man. I always loved my cars lowered, but I feel like it's time. I feel like it's time for me to raise the car. At least this one, because I mean it's a daily drive, and sometimes I'm just getting to work on the drive-in type of little ramp on the curb. It just everything scratches, so I think it's time, guys. This is the first time me going to this place, so hopefully they have good service. I'm just driving in right now, guys. Hopefully I can get good service here. I'll let you guys know. So I get to the shop, guys. Oh my god, pretty cool dude, I gotta say, guys. I forgot my wheels have locks, and I swear to God, guys, I have no idea. I have no idea where the locks are. Good thing I live pretty close from the place, so I came back over here. I left the tires in the shop. But man, hopefully I can find this. I'm back, and I found the lock. Well, my lady is the one that found it. Happy now, guys. finally some tires, man. I was to the point that I mean, you guys will see on the video, it's ridiculous. You guys gonna hate me, you guys gonna talk crap about me, I know it. Finally, man, I feel safe now. You guys will see the tires right now. You know what I did notice? I mean, obviously, I'm guessing because, you know, it's a brand new tire, but there's a bigger gap now. It doesn't scrape or anything. It's just a perfect flush fit, guys. This is beautiful.